Hey guys, welcome to our channel. It's me, Tseho. Today I look as terrible as I feel. I've got a flu and I've been relaxing because there are some people doing some work in the kitchen and they've just finished now and they'll come back another day. So basically, yeah, I'm tidying up after they leave. But yeah, work is rather slow today and yeah. um Yeah, I'm out of it. Let me sit down and talk to you. Yeah, work is slow today because of the flu. And yeah, but I'm going to get started. The sooner I finish, the sooner I rest. Amon has been outside watering the garden. He's just finished now. Since in the last 2 hours, that's what he's been doing. Um, yeah, so he's gone next door to disconnect water pipes and everything. But yeah, I don't know what he's up to today, but I want to give you a quick tour of the garden and show you what he's been doing. I don't know if I gave you guys a proper tour of the garden, but yeah, let me show you quickly. So this is spring onion. He just got this recently when we went to the seedling farm to get seedlings. And this is garlic. Needs to be weeded, but yeah, this is garlic. Carrots. So there were some gaps in the garden, and he was planting basically where there's big holes, big gaps. Yeah, it's been a while since actually we've had carrots. Um, so yeah, everything is really small, and all these are plants that survive winter because we're going to winter. I know it's sunny and summery, but we do have the winters do get cold for us, and yeah, but outside it will be sunny. Anyways, these are peas and they all also do well in winter. So they are also creepers. As they grow, you need to make for them a trellis. Yeah. And right here is tomatoes. These are tomatoes. Um, yeah. And this is lettuce. He's not really a big fan of this type of lettuce, but it was one of the only two that he got. We have the commando one and the one that's just leaves. Yeah, the one that's leaves, that's the one that he doesn't like. There's nice ones with leaves. You get the different green ones, and you get the purple one, but they didn't have them this time. We love them for color for salads. But yeah, and these are baby marrows that we got while we are in bots. These are baby marrows. There you go. So yeah, even these small ones are starting to grow. Like this is a baby marrow, that's a baby marrow. These small ones, they've got tiny little baby marrows. There you are. And so yeah, eventually they catch up with height with each other. And eggplants, so he wants to get rid of, this is the old eggplant trees, and we got these new ones when we were at the seedling farm. So yeah, he's filling this with the eggplant, and he wanted to just finish off the fruit on these old ones, including this one here. They haven't really been doing well. We've got some fruit out of them, but not always. The other times the fruit is bad. And this is the spinach. This is a bit of spinach. I'll show you everything when they've grown older. This rape is done. It's done its time. And this is tsonga. Tsonga leaves are exactly like the Chinese cabbage leaves that are on the outside. There was a time when we planted Chinese cabbage leaves, and Amon had put goat manure. They were so huge, and we ate the outside leaves for a long time before the heads popped out. And that was before we actually on YouTube. Anyways, yeah, they tasted exactly the same as Tunga leaves. They look exactly the same. And yeah, so this is where I think the broccoli and cauliflower are, because he did mention that he's got some broccoli and cauliflower at the side. Anyway, I'm getting finished here. It's rather hot outside. And yeah. So once a week when we get water refilled, it's not once a week. I think it was after 2 weeks this time. It doesn't last a month like when we're not watering. But what do you call? Whenever we water, we flood the whole yard. So yeah, I'm happy with these roses. They've been growing really well and releasing really pretty flowers. I've even made a vase for the house, and they're responding well because they love water. The roses that we had before, they didn't seem to like water so much, but these ones seem to like water. They are more sturdy. And the ones I'm talking about, we still have them, but we find we have to skip them. So yeah. So this is what the guys were adding on today, and we're going to put more concrete slab to the other side. I don't want to show you the house. It's really upside down because I'm only starting to clean now. And and yeah, they are doing this so that the bricks can hold the things that are going to support for the pouring of the concrete slab on top. And basically the bricks are the support for putting doors, and we're going to nail wood on here. They're getting plastered, but on here in the front we're going to nail wood so that it just looks like an entire wood cupboard. But anyways, yeah. So this is where they were working. It was really quite sandy, and so basically I need to finish sweeping and collect all this dust out, which is not helping, but I'm doing it with a mask. Yeah. Someone just came from the field with the sunflower. Unfortunately, the birds have been harvesting before us. All these are the leftover seeds. Yeah. Before they get everything.
Yeah, but this one is full.
Okay, nice.
So let's go inside and show you.
Okay. Oh, I'm falling off. Underneath this little fur thing.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm calling it fur. It looks like flowers. I don't know.
Yeah.
Now, can we go on the grass?
So if you want to see if it's a good sunflower,
Yeah.
if it has grown to age, you start with the center here. So if you see it having seeds at the center, it's fine.
Nice. But the other ones are big. Like the ones that are eaten. Nice. How do you know this stuff?
There we go.
The seeds. Oh,
So
what's crawling on me? Figgy's tail.
This is supposed to be a disguise for the birds not to see.
Nature is clever. They're about the same size.
Yeah.
So you reckon?
Yeah.
Is there more? Or these are the only ones.
No, there is more.
Okay.
I should go harvest.
You've spent the whole day in the sun.
Yeah.
It's not good.
Yeah.
You should take a break.
But this is a healthy one, yeah? This one, you can even fill it with weight.
This is what you want to replant when you're planting. This one was a big one, and they basically just finished it. So he kind of harvested this one and the others so that he can save them from the birds.
Feed our own birds.
Saving from other birds to feed our own birds. So this is the soft maize. It's going in a pot. Look at didn't grow well, but look at this. This is the last bit of maize that's left in the field. Yeah. And he got some dry ones. The dry ones for the snack.
Yeah.
Okay. And he's husking over there. And I am washing dishes and mopping the floor. I am on a hunt for a plant that in Bots we call it musupijani and they call it musuzwani here. It's minty, the famous COVID plant that even supermarkets like Pick and Pay were now stocking during COVID. But anyways, I'm harvesting it because it's good for flu. I'm looking for it. I can't find it. Amon had been uprooting the ones that we had, and I kept telling him to stop. And he keeps saying we'll plant it in a proper place. Yeah, I'm hunting for it for steaming, by the way. If someone wants to know, I'm steaming for flu. I want to wake up feeling a lot more better than I did today. I've got my herb. You can actually drink it as well. I remember when we were growing up, we used to put it in rooibos tea, and it used to be absolutely delicious. But I used to put it in rooibos tea with milk actually. But it's been long that I haven't drank rooibos tea with milk. I wonder what it tastes like without the milk. But anyways, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.